Because in here, I have to be a lion. I have to think like a lion. I have to act like a lion in every single situation. This is Nyla. She's the first one to dig into an animal, to do her job, and she's amazing in it. It's part of socializing within a lion pride because they lick each other to clean each other as well. Now, unfortunately, I can't lick, so I'm imitating with my hands to take the blood off her and get her clean again. Look how she's enjoying it. And this is the only way to be respected, accepted, and wanted in a lion pride.